All right, back we go. Doing some videos. Haven't done any videos in a while. It is Sunday, March 27th. The market will be back in action on Monday tomorrow. I'm going to go over some stocks here. A lot of IPOs making very strange moves. IPO stock madness. I'm calling it March madness. CLVR, and this is recent. In the last few years, these recent IPOs. CLVR moved huge with this pot news marijuana stock that it's going to legislation Monday. Just looking at PinViz, they released reports fourth quarter full year results. That was on the 24th. Stock up 27%. They announced international strategic partnership. That was March 22nd. And what this stock does, Clever Leaves International cultivates, extracts, manufactures, commercializes pharmaceutical grade cannabinoid products in Colombia, Portugal, Germany, United States, and Canada. And cannabinoid and non-cannabinoid engages in formulating, manufacturing, marketing, distributing other natural remedies, detoxification products, based in New York. The float on this 13 million PIMDIS has pretty low. Market cap 42 million. Insiders own 14%. Institutions own 29%. So, but I believe I have the news right here in front of me. But a lot of these marijuana stocks pop, like Tilray, CGC. With it going to Congress, I believe they're going to vote on it for legalization. Yeah, I could be wrong on that. I don't have it. But yeah, this happened before and they didn't legalize it. So we'll see what happens here. This made a huge move though. Look at the volume, 147 million. Look at the chart here. So a lot of these IPOs, they go sideways, they start, and then they have like weird bounces, up and down. Sometimes they'll go up, then two down, whatever it is. This was in a range pretty much 8 to 12, really near 20 back in February 2021. And then August, right here, 2021, really made its last move to 12. And look at this downtrend. This is a classic channel, very tight, back and forth. This is completely a bear market here on this. And it was a bear market for August till pretty much March. Trend down. It's all bears in control. No one's buying. The volume. Look at the volume too. 74,000. No one's in it. No one's in pot stocks. Very low volume. Then you saw this go sideways, and then where again? Good old $1 line. One little below, but as soon as it starts to go sideways, that is a signal. That is a sign when you're out of a long-term downtrend. And then it started to wrap under your 1320 EMA. 13 is pink. 20 is white. And start to come up. And look at this. There's the candle right here. That was on 2.1 million volume. And this is on 147 million in volume. Look at that. Absolute beast on the 5-minute. Now, this didn't move. Came up early yesterday. And went 225 to this 2 line. And then it really broke out around 2 p.m. Look at this. And it just rode this 1320 EMA all the way up. 225 to 4 plus. Incredible run there late. Could have got a big gainer if you saw that you're trading the weekly. And look at it. Look how many candles are red here. I don't mean, not even going to count. It's probably like 20 red. And then it sneaks out right here, 1, 2 on the weekly. And then there's your big move with that candle there. 142 million on the weekly. The monthly monthly had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 big candles in a row. 3, 6, yep, 9 big candles in a row in the monthly. And when you see a close of green on the monthly, that is a good signal. Very oversold. Can you get in down here for a longer term play? I would say yes. Even though it could come back, could do whatever. Come back here inside day. This is the monthly though, but when you're that oversold, better risk reward than buying here. That's the point. And look at it; it's way below your 1320 EMA. So this has room to run. So longer term, this is looking good. The stock was 20, it went to 1. And now it's sort of breaking out. That's a big move up, though. We'll see what the news Monday with this marijuana stocks and everything. So I wouldn't just jump in, go crazy, see what it does. Yeah, any pullback I think will be a good buy in this. Right now it's 348. Yeah, however you play your stops, you got 350, quarter, and yeah, I don't want this to come down a big red candle down at two though. It's gonna be a little too much. Pullback's fine, but it'll be too far of a big move down. We'll see what happens. If this does move up, even gradually, you have the five line, 4 to 5. Then you have right here this 8 line. So you have all these touches. Look at this back in January, back in May. That would be a good line right there to look for. Because there's nothing here. This is a downtrend. You can go right through that fast. A lot of congestion up here, a lot of resistance. So look for that heavy volume. A lot of people on StockTwits talking about that. It's always good when they're talking about stocks. And more traders jump in it. It's always positive. So that's basically the news on that. So it came out all these pot stocks moving, and that's a good thing to see if you're in these stocks. I was looking for anything else on here. So I mean, technically, yeah, it's a breakout right here. And then what are you doing here? Though? Is this going to keep going? You rarely see that on the penny stocks. They do fly up, straight up, but you don't know each day. You just don't know. Longer term, though, that's why you look at your weekly and monthly. This being oversold has a better chance to start grinding up. So look for them support levels. You don't want this to go down below 250. Watch. I mean, it could come all the way back down to 150. There's your 1320 EMA. You're so far away from that. That's the problem. Once you break out, like you can see up here, on that move back in February 2021, look how far away. And you start going straight up, parabolic, and it's back a little bit. But that was a big move with heavy volume, and we'll see what happens. I still think we'll go higher. Just see what happens Monday. If they put in a low volume day and there's no news or anything, they pull it back. That is the key question. But anyone caught this is a great day trade. Right there, 225. Look at that go up. It's holding 350. It looks like it was going to go down end of after hours. Let's see what happens with that. CLVR. Check it out. Try to go over a lot of IPOs. Recent IPOs, last few years, I'd say, because these are all making like really weird moves, and they're being pushed down and then brought back up. Definitely manipulate it. Once that move went down right here, you can't keep shorting it to zero. It's not going to go to zero. And then look what happened. Boom! Big pop. All right, so that's it. Take a look at this Monday. If you're into this, day trading, swing trading, take a look at CLVR, cannabinoid industry, the marijuana pot industry, the cultivates, extracts, manufactures, cannabinoid and non-cannabinoid products. So that's it. Check it out. All right. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trade Alerts on YouTube. Smash the like button. Check out any links below, any social media, any comments on this stock or your thoughts or where do you think it's going. If you're trading it or not, if you're in it long term, it's always good. That's it. Peace.